All right, traders, it is the 31st of May, 2017. My name is Jameson. We're looking at a daily vertical bar chart of Alio Gold, ALO. This looks like a very good trade. I might have the phases labeled incorrectly here. It's very difficult to label the phases between phase C and phase D before we go to phase E. So phase A is the stopping action. Phase B is the testing of supply or accumulation, if we're talking about accumulation. Phase C is a final test of supply, which would be this lower low, this higher low, this last point of supply. Phase D is when we break through resistance and we mark up inside this trading range, and then there's generally a back tests, and then we actually mark up outside the range, and we actually start the aggressive markup into the price objectives. So I'm not quite sure if we're a C and D or if this is still C and we're going to have a terminal shakeout. Nonetheless, we're transitioning, we're going through this level of resistance, we're seeing the expansion of demand, we had the emergence of supply, have very little downward effort on price discovery, and we're maintaining this angle of advance. So, as long as we maintain this angle of advance, I am bullish, anticipating that we'll trade into these upper price objectives. If we lose this, because it's a lower market cap, I wouldn't hold on to any losses. I would close out my position and look for an entry on the 200-day simple moving average. And if we lose that, I would still just walk away and I look for an entry as we retest this level of support here, and that would officially be a terminal shakeout and mark the transition from phase C to phase D. But we'd have to watch volume. If volume or selling pressure remains a little bit low, then we'd probably rally very quickly. But we'll get into that. I'll watch this very closely. I like this long. As long as this angle advance holds, this is an opportunity for longs to buy support and sell into resistance into the objectives.